Golden secret of drawing number 1. There is nothing stopping you. Thinking that you need fancy pencils and drawing pads is just an excuse not to draw. The world is full of pencils. The chances are there has been an unused IKEA pencil in your kitchen drawer for the last 5 years. That will do just fine. No paper? Use the back of an envelope or rip open a packet of cornflakes and use the insides. There is no excuse not to draw. If you are really desperate, draw with a stick in the dirt. Draw on a steamed up window. Use mud and make marks with your fingers, caveman style. It's wonderful to use the best pencil in the world or the finest paper, but it's not necessary. It's easy to think that if only you had Picasso's pen, you could draw like him. Picasso could and did draw with anything. Don't let the tools be the excuse that stops you from drawing. The Golden Secrets of Drawing book has a plain white soft vinyl finish cover. I think of this book as a comfort blanket for creative people who need a little bit of a confidence boost. In time, I imagine your book will become scuffed and covered in graphite thumbprints and coffee rings. You can get the book from the Amazon links below. As well as being the author, I'm also an Amazon affiliate, so I'll get a royalty and affiliate fee, but you will pay no extra. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. Here's an idea. How about a dog? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.